it looks like you have finished your safety test and your test correction. So you are now on your shape project. For step 1, all of my videos are going to be exactly the same as my written instructions, so you can either watch the video or stop the video and just read the written instructions. So for this project, you're going to make any shape or object that you want, and you're going to use the following tool: coping or miter saw, depending on your object. Some of you may use both. Some of you may use one or the other. All of you will be using vice clamp to clamp down your piece of wood in order for you to cut. You'll be using some type of sander to smooth out your object, and some of you may or may not use a hand planer. You're going to decide what object you want to create from your 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches pine square. You can do any shape or object, except you cannot keep the regular square. You cannot make a rectangle and just do one cut. You can't do the right triangle where you just make one cut. You have to do more than just one cut. Once you've decided on your shape, draw it out on your draft paper and get it approved by me. You can get a draft paper from the gray basket. It's a little white paper. It should be the same size as 3.5 by 3.5 inch square at the starting station. The basket should be labeled Shape Project Step 1. Once you have finished your draft, you may move on to the next step. So in order to submit this assignment, you're going to click Start Assignment, scroll down, and all you have to do is write what you're going to do. So I'm going to say the object I will be making is a heart. Go down and submit the assignment. And you are done with this assignment.